What's up, guys? I'm here with Doug and Dwayne, and we're puffer fishing with mirror lures. Just kidding. We're actually trying to catch some trout, but check that guy out. Scratch their chin and puff up. Never caught one on a mirror lure before. That's pretty interesting, but there's always a first. Flip one down that little edge there. Yeah, let me see some spots. All I see is a white belly. Hey, John. Hey. Down there. Look at big pointy teeth. Big pointy teeth. Yeah. Hiya. Oh.
Got crab pie.
No, he's got fish, dude. That thing's going to town. What'd you catch him on? Here it comes, here it comes. I don't want to turn the motor on.
Big drum. Big drum.
Get him, Dwayne. I love the sound of that drag.
There's another one behind it too.
That's it. That's the same one. He's swimming around swirling. That's a big drum. Nice drum. Nice.
Oh, he's too big.
That's all right. Bring him into the net. Get him in the net. Come on, Wayne. Come on. There it is. That's a nice one, dude. Hey, fishy 5. Hi-yow. All right, that's where he's at.
27.
Nuh-uh. 28 and a half. All right, 28 and a half.
How long they gotta be?
And that is going to be tag number 615.
How long they gotta be?
26. There it is. Tag number 615. Back up. There he goes. Much better. Much better. That's how you do it. All right, rockfish to top it off. That's the trifecta. All right, there you go. Pretty little rockfish. Give him the release. All right, another trout. A little bigger. Not quite there yet. He's probably a keeper about 14 inches, but we're gonna let him go. Tag him and release. All right, well, challenging day today. You know, can't hit a home run every day, but I still like to tape it and take you guys along, so appreciate you watching. All in all, we ended up with like 5 or 6 flounder that were undersized, 5 or 6 trout, one being a keeper, but very small on the keeper side, and 4 puppy drum, one that was 28 and a half inches, so that was pretty cool, and then a few more that were under slot. Tagged quite a few fish. I think we tagged 5 fish today. We tagged a trout, 4 drum. I think that's it. And yeah, great day on the water. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.